matrices. Two and three mark problems. First problem, if A and B are a matrix, find AB and BA. Solution, given matrix A and B, we'll substitute the matrix. We'll multiply the matrix. We know the matrix multiplication. We'll multiply first row with first column. That is, we'll take 2 multiplied with 3. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. We'll take the second column. We'll multiply 2 with minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into 0, 0. We'll take the second row and first column. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. Take the second column. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into 0, 0. By adding this, we get 10 minus 2, 11 minus 3. BA equal to, write the matrix B, then matrix A. Same, we'll multiply by taking first row and first column. First row with second column. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. We'll take the second row and first column. Second row with second column. So by multiplication, we will get the value as 3 minus 5 minus 4, 4. Second problem, if matrix A and B is given, we have to find AB and BA. As I said in the previous video, when one row or one column is given, we have to consider the order, then multiply. We have to multiply. We'll see this. Solution. Substitute matrix A and B. Now write the order. Order is 3 by 1 and 1 by 3. Now if we multiply, we will get a matrix of order 3 by 3. When one row or one column is given, consider the order first, then multiply. Equal to, we'll take the first row, that is 2, multiplied with 1, with 4 and with 2. Now we'll do the same thing with minus 1 and 3. Matrix BA equal to, substitute matrix B and A. What is the order in this? 1 by 3, 3 by 1. So our answer will contain of order, matrix of order 1 by 1. Solution. We'll take the first term and then we'll multiply 1 into 2, 4 into minus 1, 2 into 3, 6. That is equal to 4. Third problem, if matrix A is given, we have to find A transpose and A transpose into A. Solution, given A, we'll find the A transpose. Already we have seen, to find the transpose is nothing but, we'll change the rows to column. That is, take the first row, change it to first column. Take the second row and change to second column. This is transpose of the matrix. A into A transpose, we will multiply this. We'll take the first row and multiply with the first column. That is 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Second column, by multiplying 2 into 1, 3 into minus 1, 0 into minus 1. We'll take the second row and multiply with the first column. 1 into 2, minus 1 into 3, 0 into minus 1. Second column, 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, plus 0. The value is 14 minus 1 minus 1, 2. A transpose B, A equal to, write A transpose and then the matrix A. Same like previous one, we'll take the first row and then we'll multiply with the first column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Second column, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0. We take the second row, multiply with the first column. 3 into 2, 6, minus 1. We'll do with the second column, then with the third column. We'll take the third row, we'll multiply with the first column, with second, and then with third. So by multiplication and then by simplifying, we get 5, 5, minus 4, minus 2, 5, 10, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, 1. Fourth problem, if matrix A is given, find A square. Solution, A square equal to A into A. Substitute matrix A and A. Now by multiplication, we are familiar with multiplication. We'll see this. Take the first row and multiply with the first column. 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 2 into 2, 4. Similarly, we'll take the first row with first column. 3 into minus 1, minus 1 into 2, plus 0. Second column, then we'll multiply with the third column. Take the second row will multiply with first, second and third column. First column we have multiplied. Next with second column, multiplied with third column. Now we'll take the third row. By multiplication we get 6, 0 plus 10. Second column and then with third column. Now by simplification we get A square as 12 minus 5, 14, 9, 3, 16, 16, minus 2, 29. Fifth problem, if matrix AB is given, find AB transpose and A transpose into B. Solution, given A, find A transpose. We know transpose means change the rows to column. That is, A transpose equal to change the rows to column. Similarly, matrix B given, which implies B transpose equal to change the rows to column. 1 minus 1 is the row. For B transpose, it is the column 1 minus 1. Now AB transpose equal to substitute matrix A and B transpose. By multiplication, We are familiar. Anyhow, we'll multiply with first row with first column. Second column. Second row with first column. Second row, second column. We get -1, 16, -5, 14. Now A transpose B. A transpose by multiplication. We know the matrix multiplication. Then by simplifying, we get 0, -6, 11, 13. Sixth problem. If matrix A and B is given, show that AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Solution. AB is given. Multiply this. We'll take the first row with multiplied with first column. Second column. Second row with first column. Second row with second column. AB equal to -5, 0, -7, 18. AB transpose equal to, now by changing the rows to column, AB transpose is -5, -7, 0, 18. B transpose A transpose equal to, we transpose B, we transpose A equal to, by multiplication, we get -5, -7, 0, 18. Now, this both are equal, therefore, AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Seventh problem. If A, B and C is given, we have to verify A into BC equal to AB into C, A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Solution. First main. AB equal to substitute matrix A and B by multiplication, first row, first column. Now we'll take the second row and by multiplying, we get AB as 8 minus 1, 12, 1. Now we'll find BC, substitute matrix BC by multiplication, BC equal to 10 minus 12, 0, 4. A into BC equal to substitute matrix A, then BC. By multiplication, get 10 minus 4, 10 and 4. AB into C, substitute matrix by multiplication, 10 minus 4, 10, 4. Since these both are equal, A into BC equal to AB into C. Second subdivision, we have to verify. First, we will find A plus B plus C. We get 5 minus 3, 0, 5. A into B plus C equal to substitute matrix A, B plus C by multiplication, 5, 7, 5, 17. I will find AC. -3, 8, -7, 16. I will find AB. Eight minus 1, 12, 1. Now we'll add this both, that is AB plus AC equal to 5, 7, 5, 17. Therefore, this both are equal. So left side A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Eighth problem. If matrix A is given, prove that A square minus A minus 3i equal to 0. Solution. Given matrix A, find A square. A into A, we'll multiply, we'll take the first row and multiply the first column. A square is 4, 3, 1, 3. 3i equal to, I is identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. By multiplied with 3, we get the values. Substitute A square. Minus A is given, substitute A value. Minus 3i is given, substitute 3i. Now by simplification, we'll get 0. We know matrix addition and subtraction, respective terms we have to simplify. Therefore, we have proved that A square A minus 3i equal to 0. Ninth problem, if matrix A is given, same we have to show that A square minus 4a plus 3i equal to 0. Same like previous problem. Given A, we have to find 4a. So multiply 4 into A. That is 4 will multiply it with 2. With 4 with minus 1. 4 with minus 1. 4 with 2. We get 8 minus 4 minus 4, 8. A square equal to A into A. Matrix multiplication. We get 5 minus 4 minus 4, 5. 3i equal to 3 into identity matrix. A square minus 4a plus 3i equal to A square. A square substitute value A square minus 4a, substitute that 4a value, plus 3i, substitute that 3i values. Now by adding this, 5 minus 8 plus 3 and similarly the other term, we get 0. 10th problem, if matrix A is given, show that A square minus 5a equal to 2i. Solution, given A, 5a equal to, we know that multiply 5 with the term, A square equal to A into A. By multiplication, A square is 7, 10, 15, 22. 2i equal to 2 into identity. A square minus 5a equal to substitute A square minus substitute 5a. Simplify this. 7 into minus 5, 10 into minus 10, 15 minus 15, 22 minus 20. We get 2002. In this same, therefore, we'll represent this as 2i. 11th problem, solve for xy. First one, solution. Given matrix we wrote, multiply the left side. first row with first column, that is 2x minus y, 3x plus y equal to 10, 2. We equate this, minus y plus y is there, we can cancel that, 5x equal to 12, find x equal to 12 by 5. Now we'll take any one equation, we'll take 2x minus y equal to 10, substitute the x value, we can find y equal to 24 by 5 minus 10. Therefore, y equal to minus 26 by 5. Second one, solution, given matrix, we'll multiply the left side, x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4y equal to minus 1, 0. Equate this. Now, we want to cancel x or y. So, we'll use simultaneous equation method. So, we'll give equation 1 and 2. We are going to cancel x. So, in equation 1, the coefficient of x is 1. In equation 2, the coefficient of x is minus 2. For that reason, we'll multiply equation 1 with 2. Equation 2, we'll write it as it is. Now the coefficient of x is same, so we can cancel this. 10y equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 1 by 5. Take any one equation. We'll take first equation, x equal to minus 1 minus 3y. Substitute y value in this. By taking LCM, we get x as minus 2 by 5. Third problem, given matrix we wrote, we'll multiply this. 2x plus 3y multiply with y, x minus x plus y. So in this, we should consider the order. As I said earlier, when one row or column is given, you have to consider the order. xy is given. For that matrix, what is the order? 1 by 2. Next matrix, what is the order? 2 by 2. So if you multiply, you will get a matrix of order 1 by 2. That is 1 row, 2 columns. By equating this, we will assign the equation 1 and 2. Now we want to cancel x or y. In first equation it is 2x, second equation it is minus x. So for that reason, we will take equation 1 and we will multiply 2 with second equation. By cancelling x, 5y equal to 7, y equal to 7 by 5. By considering any one equation, we will consider second equation, x equal to y minus 4, substitute y as 7 by 5, therefore x equal to minus 13 by 5. Twelfth problem, if x, y and z is given, verify the condition. Solution, y z equal to substitute matrix and multiply. As I said earlier, we will consider the order. What is the order for matrix y? 3 by 1. For z it is 1 by 2. So our answer will contain of order 3 by 2. Multiply this. 1 into 2, 1 into 1, similarly 0 and 3. X into YZ, substitute the matrix X, YZ. By multiplication, we get 22, 11, 24, 12. XY equal to substitute matrix XY, multiply this, we get 11, 12. XY into Z equal to substitute matrix, by multiplication we get 22, 11, 24, 12. Since both are equal, we have verified that X into YZ equal to XYZ. So we have seen matrix multiplication. Further problems we will see in the next video.